We're talking about chia seeds, the rockstars of superfoods that could be the game changer you never knew you needed. These tiny wonders are packed with all the good stuff your body craves. But what happens when you make them a daily staple? Hold on, because we're diving deep into the chia seed mysteries. Can these little powerhouses truly transform your body and catapult your health to the next level? It's the question on everyone's mind, and we're about to uncover the jaw-dropping truth. Before we spill the chia-infused secrets, make sure you're part of the DN Fit crew. Hit subscribe, ring that notification bell, and join us on the DN Fit of life. It's where all the cool stuff happens. Chia seeds are often considered one of the healthiest foods in the world. Now, why should you care about these little seeds? Chia seeds are indeed known for their nutritional richness, providing essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and various minerals. Including them in your diet can contribute to overall health benefits, such as improved heart health, better digestion, and enhanced energy levels. Keep in mind that while chia seeds are nutritious, moderation is key. Including 2 tablespoons a day as suggested, can be a part of a balanced and healthy diet. In this video, we're spilling the beans on why chia seeds are total rock stars. Hey viewers, before we dive in, just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult with your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Now back to the chia seed adventure. Number 1, your mood will improve. Ever find yourself dragging after a long day of work or study? Chia seeds might just be the mood boost you need. According to the University of Pittsburgh, these tiny wonders are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are linked to major mood improvements. Say goodbye to feeling tired and depressed. Regular chia seed munching could be your ticket to a happier you. Some experts even claim that making chia seeds a regular part of your diet can help combat the blues and anxiety. Ready to give it a shot? Get ready for a brand new positive vibe in your life. Number 2, your sleep schedule will become consistent. Struggling with the snooze button on your alarm? Enter chia seeds, your potential sleep savior. Ever heard of the dynamic duo for a good night's sleep? Serotonin and melatonin? Well, these sleep superheroes are produced by the amino acid tryptophan, and guess what? Chia seeds are loaded with it. A study from the University of Texas Health Science Center at San Antonio spills the tea that tryptophan, the sleep-inducing powerhouse in chia seeds, isn't just a bedtime buddy. It's a superhero that can tackle serious sleep disorders. So whether you're battling full-blown insomnia or just dealing with the wild sleep schedule, fear not. Chia seeds have got your back, promising you a ticket to dreamland. Say hello to consistent, refreshing sleep. Number 3, your dental health will be on point. Want to level up your dental game? Chia seeds are your secret weapon. These little warriors pack a punch with calcium, phosphorus, vitamin A, and zinc, the dream team for your pearly whites. Calcium is here to keep your teeth sturdy and decay-resistant. Phosphorus and vitamin A team up as your oral superheroes, fighting off bacteria for a forever fresh breath. And zinc? It's the plaque-busting hero, stopping those little troublemakers from setting up camp on your teeth. Believe it or not, just a handful of these tiny seeds a day can do wonders for your smile. No wonder chia seeds are hailed as superfood royalty by nutritionists worldwide. They're like the VIP pass to a dental paradise. Number 4, your bones will be stronger. Worried about your bones losing their mojo as the years roll by? Enter chia seeds, your bone buddy superheroes. Aging bones can be a hassle, but fear not. Just 1 ounce of chia seeds packs a punch with 18% of your daily calcium needs and a whopping 30% of manganese. Why does this matter? Well, these 2 tag team champions are your bones' best friends. They're like the guardians of bone health, keeping them dense and Hulk strong. Here's the kicker. Not many foods deliver this knockout combo, making chia seeds a true one-of-a-kind bone booster. Say hello to bones that can handle anything life throws their way. Number 5, your cholesterol levels will decrease. Nobody wants high cholesterol crashing their body party, right? It's like the uninvited guest that messes with your brain, memory, and even threatens a stroke. But fear not, because here comes the chia seed superhero squad to the rescue. Why should you trust these tiny powerhouses? Brace yourself for the fiber showdown. Chia seeds are loaded with it, and guess what? Fiber is the ultimate cholesterol ninja. In the spotlight is a jaw-dropping study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 1999, proving that fiber isn't just a total cholesterol slayer, but takes down the notorious LDL, aka the bad cholesterol. And here's the kicker. Recent studies dub fiber as the MVP for your immune system. So munching on chia seeds isn't just a snack. It's a genius move for a cholesterol-friendly superhero version of you. Number 6. Your blood sugar levels will decrease. Let's talk blood sugar, the troublemaker behind type 2 diabetes. But fear not, because chia seeds are here to be your sugar-busting sidekick. St. Michael's Hospital in Canada spilled the chia tea after conducting a study. The magic lies in chia seeds curbing that post-meal blood sugar spike we all dread. And wait for it, animal studies threw in an extra dose of spectacular. Chia seeds aren't just sugar moderators. They're like the maestros, helping you control and stabilize that blood sugar roller coaster. Not too shabby, chia seeds, not too shabby at all. Number 7, your chances of developing heart disease will decrease. Guess what? Chia seeds aren't just tiny, they're like the superheroes your heart never knew it needed. Packed with a killer combo of fiber, protein, and omega-3 acids, these little warriors are on a mission to give your heart some serious VIP treatment. Hold on to your seats because the scientific drumroll is here. Studies left and right are cheering for chia seeds. They're not just lowering risk factors for heart disease, they're throwing a party against inflammation and giving insulin resistance the boot. And here's the grand finale. A study from the Federal University of Paraíba spilled the chia tea that these seeds are heart protectors. They're not just chilling on the sidelines, they're lowering blood pressure, a major player in the heart health game. Consider chia seeds your heart's personal superhero squad, standing guard against any unexpected heart plot twists. Number 8, your exercise performance will get a boost. Calling all gym enthusiasts, if you haven't added chia seeds to your workout routine, you're missing out. These tiny powerhouses aren't just a trendy superfood, they're the secret sauce for boosting your exercise game. Why are chia seeds the gym rat's best friend? It's all about the omega-3 acids they pack. These bad boys kick your energy levels into high gear, prepping your body for a killer workout. Pro tip, pop some chia seeds a few hours before your intense sweat sesh. Let them work their magic. But hey, the goodness doesn't stop there. Post-workout chia seeds are a fantastic idea too. Why? The protein they pack is like a superhero, swiftly repairing those hard-work tissues. Say hello to a workout upgrade with chia seeds in your corner. Number 9, you'll lose weight. Ready for a weight loss adventure? Cue the entrance of chia seeds, your trusty sidekick in the battle against those stubborn pounds. These little wonders are like the magical fairies of weight loss, armed with tricks to make your journey a breeze. Here's the enchantment: soluble fiber, the secret weapon that slows down food absorption, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. But that's not all. Chia seeds also bring a hefty dose of protein to the table, giving your appetite a friendly knockout punch. A study from the University of Toronto and other brainy institutions embarked on a mission. They kept tabs on folks dealing with obesity and type 2 diabetes. And guess what? The chia magic worked wonders. Those who invited chia seeds to the party not only shed more weight but also watched their waistlines do a happy dance. So if you're on the quest for a slimmer, healthier you, make chia seeds your trusty companion in this thrilling weight loss journey. Number 10, your skin will clear up. Dreaming of that radiant, clear skin? Well, guess what? The secret might just be hiding in your pantry. Enter chia seeds, the unsung heroes of the beauty world, ready to give you that glowing complexion you've been longing for. Here's the deal. Your skincare routine is essential, but so is what you put on your plate. Chia seeds are like the magic touch your meals need for flawless, gorgeous skin. Mexican specialists took a deep dive into chia seeds and uncovered a game-changer, high antioxidant activity. What does this mean for your skin? Brace yourself for the good stuff. Chia seeds are warriors against free radicals, the troublemakers behind acne and premature aging signs. Say hello to an even skin tone, bid farewell to pesky skin problems, and welcome the fabulous, healthy glow you've been dreaming about. Chia seeds are your ticket to skin nirvana. If you're all pumped up to introduce chia seeds into your diet, here are some key tips to make the most of their incredible benefits. First off, aim for chemical-free or organic whole chia seeds. They're like the superheroes of minerals and nutrients compared to the ground ones. You can snag these gems online or at your nearest organic store. Now, here's the magic number. Cap your daily chia seed intake at 1.4 ounces. Sprinkle them on your meals, make them your snack sidekick. The choice is yours. Oh, and here's a pro tip straight from the experts. Soak those chia seeds in water overnight. It's like giving them a spa treatment to unlock their full potential. So what's the verdict? Ready to dive into the world of chia seeds? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit that like button, share the chia love with your friends, and of course, click subscribe to stay on the DN fit of life.